Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. Today we are going to see remedy for debilitated Jupiter. Those of you who are new to astrology, when Jupiter is placed in the sign of Capricorn, it is known as debilitated Jupiter or Neecha Guru. And why Jupiter gets debilitation in the sign of Capricorn? Because the person who has this placement can totally forget spirituality and they might get carried away with commercial attitude. To curb that, Jupiter is given the debilitation in this sign to follow law and order, to make sure they value spirituality, to make sure they follow their dharma, do their duty. Capricorn is a sign of higher status, and Saturn wants Jupiter to have this higher status by making sure that Jupiter cares for the masses. Jupiter, though is a very benefic planet, can give you tendencies about manipulation. People could be manipulative, people could be overly commercial, and in that case they might forget spirituality. After doing the extreme things in the sign of Sagittarius, Jupiter has to follow law and order, and that is why it comes to Capricorn and has to make sure that whatever wrong deeds people have done in the past, they need to be paid for. So what are the remedies? Remedies are stay away from corruption, because person with debilitation of Jupiter in their horoscope can get opportunities to be corrupt. When Jupiter transits through Capricorn, people might come up with various businesses that would promote corruption. The key remedy is stay away from corruption. Usually people with this placement do not have low morals. They do not have low morals. I am stating it again. However, the opportunities or the situations around them are such that they are tempted to follow the wrong route. This is in a way Saturn testing Jupiter. Stay away from corruption, be spiritual, value humanity. Fourth point is do not be over optimistic. Jupiter tends to see everything with the glasses of optimistic nature. This over optimism may not work when Jupiter is debilitated. So remember about this transit of Jupiter. When it comes to finances, you could be very commercial in your attitude, in your behavior, work-wise. But remember, low risks. Whenever Jupiter is transiting through the sign of Capricorn, make sure you are not taking risks due to your optimistic or rather over-optimistic nature. Saturn wants to make sure that wealth is distributed evenly to the masses. And by following the law, the person will be given higher status. So make sure you are spiritual, you are following the law, and you are staying away from corruption. You are not over optimistic. Another thing as a remedy for Jupiter debilitation is whatever philosophies you follow, whatever rituals you do, always value the human perspective of them. Value human beings more compared to the rituals. So if you are somebody in a position where you can judge the other person for following their rituals, you need to be careful about how harsh you are to someone. Most probably, when Jupiter transits through the sign of Capricorn, many dharma guru, religious gurus, fall from their status due to their wrong behavior. So if you are in a position, then be careful, correct your karma. If you are a woman with a debilitated Jupiter, it does not mean you will have two marriages. But this placement does show that you have heavy karma when it comes to marriage. Probably the husband that you have in life does not fulfill all your desires, kids probably don't come up to the mark of your expectations. However, you have to rise above that and still love them, care for them. If you are a man with this placement, you might notice that you have faced many losses due to over commercial attitude. You need to curb those temptations and follow the right path to get the best from this Jupiter. Fortunately, in this transit, Jupiter is Vargottama for a long time and you will have that support. If you are an artist, if you are any professional, make sure you are not calculating your period from November to April with high optimism. Whatever you are planning, organizing, plan and organize or expect things in a way that you are not expecting too much return. If you are somebody looking for taking any loan for building a house or going to foreign for education or for any purpose, do not plan something that you may not be able to repay. So lower your expectations so that you will lower the amount of loan. When you are trying to follow any Baba, Guru, religious figure, any leader or idol, follow caution. This transition of Jupiter usually exposes many people who have done anything wrong in their life. For Jupiter debilitation, you can always serve humanity, and this will be best remedy for this debilitation. Hope this helps. If you want to know more information about other planets or Jupiter, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com for a reading. Keep following this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. Namaste. Thank you and Shubhamastu.